This week we took some days off the workshop, but before going, there was something I wanted to try for a while. We had many old plastic buckets laying around, and I wanted to make a raft with them. I started by laying the lids on the floor, defining the size of the raft. Then, using some wood left from our house construction, I've built the main frame. Meanwhile, a friend showed up to help, and together we cut all the pieces for the raft floor and screwed it in place. After we turned the raft upside down and fixed the lids on the bottom side. It's a real struggle to remove the lids from these buckets, so attaching the lids was enough to secure the buckets in place. Finally, we roughly sanded it and it was ready. At the workshop, I've reused a piece of mahogany from an old bed to make the pedal. After drawing and cutting it, I've started giving shape to the pedal. First shaping the blade with a hand plane and then carving the grip with our angle grinder. Finally, I've sanded everything, waxed it, and we were ready to go on holidays. We took the raft to the river and it worked great. The pedal was a bit too short and the raft could use some improvements, but all in all it was a lot of fun. And now probably we will use the wood to make something else. The next day we even went down the river with it, and although I think we did a pretty good job spending no money at all, I wasn't confident enough to bring the camera with us. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.